In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Firefox PPA for privacy, step by step, so you can stop Firefox from automatically clearing your cookies and site data when you close the browser. This is useful if you want to stay signed into websites, keep your preferences saved, and avoid having to log in over and over again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the upper right corner of the browser window and click the menu button. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines and it opens the main Firefox menu. From that menu, click Settings. That will take you to the browser's settings page, where you can control privacy, security, and browsing behavior. On the left-hand side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section contains the most important options for protecting your browsing activity and managing how Firefox handles site data. Now scroll down slowly until you find the Cookies and Site Data section. This is where Firefox stores options related to website cookies, cached content, and saved login information. In that section, look for the setting that says Clear Cookies and Site Data when Firefox is closed. If that option is currently enabled, simply uncheck the box to disable it. Once you turn it off, Firefox will stop automatically deleting cookies and site data every time you close the browser. That means websites will be able to remember you more reliably, and your browsing experience should feel a lot more consistent. After making the change, it's a good idea to close Firefox completely and open it again to make sure the setting has been applied properly. Restarting the browser helps confirm that the new privacy preference is now active. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Firefox's automatic cookie and site data clearing for better privacy control and convenience. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.